Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Did you know the humble watermelon rind is edible and incredibly tasty? Most people just toss it away, but you're missing out on a culinary gem. It has a lovely, subtle flavor and a satisfying crunch, making it a fantastic ingredient for all sorts of dishes. Let's explore how you can turn this often overlooked part of the melon into something truly special. Preparing the rind is quite simple. First, make sure to wash your watermelon thoroughly before you begin. Next, carefully use a peeler or knife to remove the tough, dark green outer skin. Then, scoop out any remaining pink flesh until you're left with just the firm, white part of the rind. This clean, prepared rind is now the perfect canvas for your next delicious meal. One of the most classic ways to enjoy watermelon rind is by pickling it. Imagine a sweet and tangy bite that complements almost any meal. You'll simmer your prepared rind in a simple brine made from vinegar, sugar, and aromatic spices like cloves or cinnamon. Once cooled, these pickled rinds offer a delightful contrast, ready to elevate your next dinner plate. Beyond pickling, watermelon rind truly excels in savory dishes. Its ability to absorb flavors means it can soak up rich sauces beautifully. You might try stir-frying it with colorful vegetables and a savory sauce for a quick weeknight dinner. It also adds a wonderful, unique texture to curries or stews, providing a subtle sweetness that balances the spices perfectly. So there you have it. Watermelon rind is not just waste. It's a wonderfully versatile and sustainable ingredient waiting to be explored in your kitchen. Whether you pickle it, stir-fry it, or add it to a curry, the possibilities are vast. Don't be shy, embrace this unique ingredient, and let your culinary imagination run wild. You might just discover your new favorite dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.